Wow, what the fuck? Deine Tür ist einfach abgehakt. What the fuck, man? Whoa! Uh-oh. Don't crash me, please. Oh, god damn it! No, Moon!
Ich habe gerade 2000 für Anhalten und gute Führung bekommen.
Ja, weil der...
Das muss man auch.
What? Why? Warum bin ich einfach nur schnell am Boden gefallen und dann nicht mehr weitergeflogen?
Ich will mir voll die Flügel rein.
What? Nein, voll
Schau
nicht.
jetzt, schau jetzt.
What are you doing?
Irgendwann zerstört es.
Much wow. Do it again, please.
Warte.
No. Do it again. Okay, you ready for this?
Ja, jetzt wahrscheinlich.
Whoa!
Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me. Oh, girl, shake that ass for me.
Nicht abgehen. Nein! Oh Mann, Hilfe, der ist hier.
Oh gosh, dang it. Get up, get up, get up. Oh yeah.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What the fuck? It's one small step for a man. Oh god damn it. But I die.
Oh, Kolosse!
What are you doing? Oh what the fuck, man?
Nein! Wow!
Yes. Alright. Now we talking. Dude, this is amazing. Ich bin etwas Windrad an. Come on. No! Yeah, you know, fuck that bike. Sorry. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, what the fuck? Whoa. Oh, they're gonna be killing people. Look, er ist ausgestiegen und zeigt mir nachher. What the fuck? No, I can't. Gosh darn it. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah! Okay, let's go.
So you wanna be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my